Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use Asana to manage your projects, you know how easy it can get cluttered with old or unused projects. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to remove projects from your Asana workspace in 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tidy up your account and keep your project list focused only on what really matters. Step 1. Accessing Asana first. Open your web browser and head over to the Asana login page. Enter your registered email address, then click Continue. Next, type in your password and click Login. This will take you to your Asana homepage, where all of your projects and tasks live. Step 2, locating the project you want to remove. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a list of all your projects. Scroll through and find the one you no longer need. Once you spot it, click on the project's title to open it. Step 3, deleting the project. Now comes the important part. In the top right corner of your project window, look for the Actions drop-down menu. Click on it, and from the list of options, choose Delete Project. At this stage, Asana will warn you that deletion is permanent. Once you delete a project, all tasks and data inside it are gone forever. So, before you confirm, double-check that you really want it removed. If you're sure, go ahead and click Delete again to finalize the process, and that's it. Your project is now completely removed from Asana. Removing projects is a quick way to stay organized and make sure your workspace only contains what you're actively working on. Just remember, deletion in Asana is irreversible, so always review your choice before confirming. If you run into any issues while deleting, simple fixes like refreshing your browser, checking your internet connection, or logging out and back in can usually resolve the problem. And there you have it, a full guide to removing projects on Asana in 2025. Keeping your workspace clean will help you stay focused and productive. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more productivity tips, and check out the links in the description for more Asana guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.